Guys, we're on our way to go pick up my E36 back from vinyl because I need to take it to the dyno today. Yeah, that's right guys, I'm picking up the car. I know it's not finished. I think they only did like one body panel so far, but I got an event coming up, so I need to go back to drifting. But before I go back to drifting, I want to see if I can get my car retuned so I can get more power out of it, so I can hopefully drift in third gear and light up the tires like big boost smoke. I got my personal driver right here. I got like my own like little Maria Uber services that take me to places now.
You're gonna put gas in my car right now after this. Uber services.
All right, fair enough. Thank you so much, babe. Let's see what we got here. Oh my God, now she's gonna make more fun of me. Now it's like how many colors? Oh, this color is really awesome. It's even cooler than I thought it was.
It's like a new car.
It's really hard, just a bit done.
And it's smooth. It's so smooth. I love it. Look how it reflects all the light from it too. Babe, do you like it?
You said scratch.
Hey. What do you think about the color?
I like it. They're magicians.
So you don't not like my car as much anymore?
Let's work with the sound.
Look where I am now.
Look what I did.
What do you do?
I put it on wrong.
What? How are you supposed to close it that way?
It's kind of cool, dude.
So it closes
No, don't break it.
that way. I'm obviously not gonna break it, but Adam, what are you doing?
It's been a long day, man.
The gas lid on straight.
Big Boost, will you show me the way?
It's now time to put this thing back together. So Adam got the head gasket, hoses, and everything we need for the engine, and heat protective sleeving. Wait, what box? The right stuff. So now it shouldn't burn the lines anymore once I put new lines on this. Guys, the engine is actually broken. You did break your engine.
Boys, we found metal in the oil.
I ended up taking the tape off the top of the engine, and I was able to wiggle the timing chain guy, which I asked him if it was broken, and he could not tell. But now I take the oil pan off and I see this. I don't think you're supposed to see this or this in your oil pan.
Got me fooled.
I found something that I really don't like. Look at this bolt and look at the other side. Now, look at the front cover, and this is where that bolt goes.
I did a quick bumper tuck with some self-tappers.
That already came off. Timing chain guide is also missing a chunk on the bottom, and it's like all like kind of sheared off over here on the side. So let's see what we're gonna do to fix this. Well, so much for the SR20 being put back together today. I went ahead and cleaned everything up, so we're probably gonna have the machine shop fill this crevice up because that bolt needs to sit flat on this surface. So we need to be filled by with aluminum and then re-drill and re-tap this so it's perfectly centered, because that bolt has a lot of tension onto it with the chain just pushing on it. This guide is the one that has the tensioner pushing on it from this side. So there's a lot of force going on here. So we gotta make sure that this is perfectly fixed before we even attempt to put it back together. But now the coolest part is that I get to take my car to the dyno. Yes, we're getting my car dyno today. Hopefully I can get some more power out of it. Or even if I don't get more power, at least I can clean up the power curve so I don't have to be clutch kicking as much, and I can have an enjoyable drift day next time I go drifting. Meanwhile, Adam's over there just breaking stuff on the 350Z again.
I ain't breaking stuff, I'm fixing stuff, dog.
Fixing? But this car is brand new. What are you talking about? This is the ultimate model. There shouldn't be nothing broken in it.
I mean, it wasn't broken, it was just maintenance, you know?
Maintenance. I must give you prop. That thing looks really, really good.
I think so, bro.
Like, you know, I have my little doubts about the little bumper thing on the bar. I'm just kidding. But now it actually looks really, really hot with that splitter on there and the gold bars.
I feel like I should I feel like I should take the splitter off when I drift, but then like, what's the point of it? You know what I mean?
Do you get another one?
Yeah.
Make a copy of it.
I thought about making
it. Make an aluminum one.
I thought about making a copy of it in ABS plastic. But I really like the carbon though. It looks sick.
Yeah, carbon is nice. Then just carbon wrap it. Well, guys, it looks like there's no dyno today. Rolo ended up being busy doing some other stuff that he forgot he had to do. So I ended up actually going grocery shopping. I bought some dinner stuff so I can now go cook some food with Maria because I'm starving. And here I am now cooking some Big Boost chicken to get some more gains. This is actually a recipe that Maria likes. She has nothing to do with it, but she may have told me how to make this, and it's actually very delicious. So we normally just eat chicken, we have some hashed avocados, and then we mix it up with a little bit of rice. Yeah, I don't feel like cooking rice right now, so it's literally you put it 90 seconds in the microwave, and it actually tastes pretty good. Here we have two delicious dinner plates, his and hers. I really hope Maria likes this. This is one of her favorite plates that I make other than soup. I also wanted to tell you guys that not only we're getting an apartment, so I've been reading through the comments that all of you guys say, oh, you should get a house with a big garage and all that stuff. Right now, that was my first goal. But it's very, very expensive to buy a house with a big garage, big lot here in Orlando. So after looking for a long time, I kind of gave up on the idea, so I can't afford it. That's too expensive right now. Then Maria was telling me, oh, I like to get an apartment close to school and stuff. So I'm like, all right, we could probably look that up. Then we saw that apartment. It's like, oh my God, this is like.
You saw it?
Huh?
You saw it?
We.
And me. I do.
Oh, well, she saw it. Then.
He likes to take all the credit.
I'm sorry. Like, she saw it. And then she brought me over. And then we saw it. And yeah, like, it looks like a really, really good place. We don't really need a lot because I'm trying to get a shop on top of the apartment. Not on the apartment, you know what I'm talking about. I need to get an apartment and a shop, so I don't need a garage in the shop to work on my car. Even if I had a garage at the apartments, I am very limited to what I can do at the apartments, so I don't want to do that. The best solution is to get an apartment that's really nice and get a shop separately. That way I can not only work on my car efficiently, get a lot of stuff done, have a suitable place to do videos uninterrupted. That way I can get my vlogs that I do very in detail how-tos and explanations of things. I can do those properly, but I can also start doing some side works when I'm not busy with my stuff as well. That way it also gets me another source of income. I am also trying to develop the Big Boost page at some point, and I need a business address for that, so everything falls into place into that one package. So I'm not moving into an apartment and giving up working on cars. I'm renting an apartment to have a nice place to live, and then I'm gonna get a shop so I can work on the cars without getting in trouble with neighbors, getting interrupted by other things, or having like a bad place to work out with lots of noise. I want to have a nice place I can make better vlogs and how-to videos on. I saw some of you guys were also asking about Maria, where she's from.
I'm from Venezuela. Venezuela. Woo!
Yeah, she's Venezuelan. I think I have a thing for Venezuelan girls. There's something
We're the best.
about them.
We're cute and nice.
On camera.
Really? Is that how you feel?
No. Oh my god, no. She's even nicer off camera.
Forget the apartment.
Alright guys, just gonna keep living in the house that I've been living at. We're calling it off, so it's not happening.
I really feel you needed to get out of that house. Not because there was nothing wrong with it. It's just like you need your own space.
True. Yeah.
You're not a kid anymore to be having roommates. I'm 30 years old.
Oh my god, don't remind me, I'm so old.
Place.
I need to live with a beautiful girlfriend.
Plus,
such as
you
this
have that
one.
Starbucks machine there.
Oh my god, yes, hot chocolate. Unlimited hot chocolate.
I mean, can we go to get like chocolate even if we're not living there? Because we pay already. We're going to live there.
I think so. We can just stop by, say, hey, hi, like just grab a hot chocolate and leave. That's not a bad idea. Except we're kind of like far off from there right now, so
No, we're not.
I don't think we should do that. We're again going to go look at more furniture because we're trying to see what we can fit in the house. Another cool thing about that place is that they have an option to get an apartment with a small office in there. I think that will solve the issues. No, we didn't tell that on the other video. No.
So there was one with an office, a little office, then office. But Alberto didn't want it because it didn't have pool view. Like if he has a pool view right now. So, and he was like, there's no light or whatever. And I was like, we need an office.
I need light for the
So
vlogs.
we're probably getting an office.
Yeah.
The kitchen is the same kitchen, but the layout is different.
It's a little
So
smaller.
it's not smaller, it's just like in the other side. So the kitchen on the one bedroom apartment is like this, and the kitchen in the one bedroom with the office is like this. So like this.
It's sideways, not straight.
Yeah, it's sideways. Yeah. No. Wait, what?
Yeah, on the one bedroom is straight. On the one with the office is sideways.
No, one. And the one was like this, and the other one was like this.
Yeah, straight and sideways. It's rolling for this new apartment. So I'm so excited.
And I won the battle for the bed. We're gonna have a queen bed, not a king bed.
Guys, how does that work? Big Boost have to
Needs a
sleep in a
queen
queen
bed.
bed. I need a king bed.
You slept in a queen bed your whole life.
I want stretch room.
And then I'm trying to get a cheaper bed, and there are still people saying that I just want Alberto because I'm trying to steal his money and stuff like that.
What? No.
People say that.
Oh my god, you guys are like something else.
Yeah, don't be mean with me. That's really.
When I met Maria, it took so long to actually convince her to even get on video. She didn't even want to have her picture taken. It's like, no, I don't want to be in none of that stuff. So I literally was the one who like dragged her into the whole YouTube and Instagram thing and everything. So Maria's the type of girl who's not dating me or anything for what I have.
I didn't even know who he was. I didn't even know what drifting was. I still kind of don't know.
That's another genuine thing why I really like this girl.
And I'm gonna try to learn how to drive stick first, and then we will think about something more.
You're talking about you probably might want to learn how to drift?
No.
I think that's what she was trying to say. She's just being a little shy right now.
No, baby. I can try once.
Or twice.
Yeah. And there's people saying that if I get my hands dirty helping him, no. Am I going to? No. I'm probably just gonna hand him, like, just pass him the tools or something like that.
So what if it's a dirty tool?
I'll clean it or grab it with gloves.
I'll get
But
her
people,
dirty, don't worry.
I don't understand why people is expecting me for me to be a mechanic girl. I'm not.
No, she's far away
Like
from
that kind of like. I'm super nice and like palabra cierta. I'm super nice. Super palabra cierta. And I don't like dirty stuff. I like clean stuff. And Alberto, that's another thing I like about him. He's not like a dirty mechanic guy. He's always clean. He tries at least. I wouldn't say always.
Well, it's hard. You guys know that it's hard to be a mechanic and stay clean, but I try hard.
I know it's hard.
I try my best to always stay clean, come home clean, and it's gonna be a little difficult because Maria wants a lot of white things.
Yes.
So especially white furniture, it's like, yeah, okay.
Pero bueno, Alberto.
Like, why do you put it there? It's gonna.
Because I want to see myself here so I can look pretty.
You look pretty already. Doesn't she look pretty? Do you guys not agree that she looks pretty?
And I'm from Venezuela. Y el sancocho de Venezuela, it has carne seca, which is like beef, but put in the sun. Okay, so basically you put the beef in the sun with salt for like 2 months or something like that. And then you cook that beef and then you put it in the soup with the potatoes and yummy and all that.
Babe, ain't nobody got time for that. 2 months to cook one plate.
That's why it's so good.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
That's why it's so good. Who likes Moana, by the way?
Can you believe that she likes that movie Moana, but she hasn't watched Frozen yet?
Oh, I don't like Frozen. Alberto likes a lot of Disney movies too.
Well, we all grew around Disney, okay? I'm like 5 minutes from Disney right now.
Mm-hmm.
We're 5 minutes from Disney. We can go there right now in 5 minutes.
We should go tomorrow.
Oh, she wants to go to Disney, but I can't go to Disney right now because I have to finish on Adam's SR20. We gotta get that taken care of. Well, depends what happens. We still need to take the engine to the machine shop.
Oh,
and
stop driving like that.
What do you mean stop driving like that? It's construction zone. Alright, but what I was saying.
This looks weird.
What?
Me así.
But it fell on that side, but I didn't think.
I know, pero. Oops, se cayó para allá. We can see ourselves here, so that's why.
Alright. Yeah, so I don't know, maybe tomorrow I might have to go back to work on the SR20. I have to see what's going on with that. I don't know. We'll see, depending on what happens with it tomorrow and machine shop availability.
The what?
Machine shop availability.
What is that?
The machine shop needs to take the engine and repair it.
Yo escuché de chin chin chin.
No. Oh my god. She makes fun of my accent.
No, I don't, because I have one too.
Yeah.
So I was just like, I just didn't know what he said.
Alright guys, tomorrow I'm going to have a really awesome video for you guys. Stay tuned. I know I messed up yesterday that I didn't upload daily on a Saturday. I was trying to finish the video. I didn't have anything because not being able to go to the dyno really threw me off. So I was like, oh my god, I don't know what else to vlog right now. And then I had some really cool stuff happening yesterday, which is gonna be in tomorrow's video. So I'm gonna cut this out here and I'll keep you guys on the loop because tomorrow's video is gonna be really awesome. Stay tuned. Please smash that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I mean, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Are we?
Bye bye. Yes, we are. What do you mean?